Arduino Uno board, LED, OTG, Arduino programming cable for uploading program. This is Arduino Uno development board, and in this video I am making a Arduino program based LED blinking project, and I connecting a LED pin number 12. You can see it connected from pin number 12 and ground. After giving the 5-volt power supply, and you can see the LED will be going to turn on for 2 seconds and turn off for 1 second. For uploading the program on the Arduino board, download the Arduino Drive app. After open it is like this. You can write here a program easily. I am uploading this program on the Arduino board for LED blinking. Pin number 12 of the Arduino board use as a output, which is remain high for 2 seconds and low only 1 second. You can upload this program or write another program like this. Compile your program before uploading this. After compiling, you can upload this program